Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. We have to start exercise 5A. We have done question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Today we have to start from question number 5. Question number 5 is also consist of linear equation, but this question consists of in the form of fraction. This is just like previous question. There is no difficulty. We apply sine rule and cancellation law to solve this question. Just like this is question number 5. Statement is solve each of the following equation. The equation are given. We find the value of variable. For example, just like first part, question number 5. First part is A part. This one was 1 by 3 x equal to 7. This one is the first part of this question. Got it? Now here we find the value of x, so that and the constant is 1 by 3 and 3 is in the form of division. When we shift into the other side, it will be multiplied, just like 7 multiplied by 3. 7 3 are 21. So this is your answer. This is very simple. Got it? Now you come on next part, C part. C part is 1 by 3 x plus 3 equal to 4. Okay, here the variable is x. Okay, first we solve like from, just like there are constants 3 and 4. First we solve these two values. Okay, 3 shift into the other side, there is plus sign. When we shift into the other side, it will be subtract. 1 by 3x as it is, 4. When we shift 3 into the other side, it will be minus 3. Okay, now 1 by 3x equal to, when we subtract this, then we get 1. Got it? After this, again 3 is in the form of division. When we shift into the other side, it will be multiplied. So 3 multiplied by 1 and 3 multiplied by 1 equal to 3. This is your answer. Got it? Now you come on next part. Next part is E part. 3 minus 1 by 4y equal to 2. Again we combine like term, just like first we solve 2 and 3, and 3 shift into the other side, it will be subtract because there is plus. First you write solution, minus 1 by 4y as it is, 2. When we shift 3 into the other side, it will be minus 3. Got it? After this, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4y equal to, there is plus sign with 2 and there is minus sign with 3. Plus minus, minus 3 minus 2, then we get minus 1. There is minus and there is also minus. These minus are cancelled to each other. When we cancel, then we get value 1 by 4 y equal to 1. 4 in the form of division. When we shift into the other side, it will be multiplied, so that the value of y equal to, 4, not y, this one is 4. The value of y equal to 4. Got it? Now you come on next part. Next part is F part. F part is just like the same, 15 minus 2 by 5y equal to 11. Similarly, minus 2 by 5y as it is, 15 is in the form of addition. When we shift into the other side, it will be subtract. Minus 2 by 5y equal to, when we subtract this, then we get minus 4. 11 minus 15, then we get minus 4. Minus minus are cancelled. 2 by 5y equal to 4. Got it? 2 by 5y equal to 4. 5 in the form of division. When we shift into the other side, it will be multiplied by 4. 2y equal to 4 multiplied by 5. 2y equal to 5 4 the 20. Got it? Now 2 in the form of multiplication. When we shift into the other side, it will be divide. Got it? 2 divide. 20 divided by 2. 2 1 the 2. 2 1 the 2 and 0 as it is. So that the value of y equal to 10. Okay. Now we have solved all parts. You have done B and D part is your H word. This is part D. B and D is your H word. After this, we have to solve question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6 also consists of three parts.